This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 7 Encapsulation. Encapsulation is an important object-oriented concept where data and methods are bundled together within a single unit called a class. Classes serve as the building blocks of object-oriented programming, encapsulating data fields and providing controlled access and manipulation through their methods. This helps achieve data abstraction and hide implementation details. Classes are templates that provide frameworks for objects in Java programs. They are described by various elements such as fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested classes, and interfaces. Our focus today is on fields which represent variables, methods that operate on those fields, and constructors. Let's consider the example of a circle class. It has 3 fields to represent the circle's radius and the x and y coordinates of its center. It also has 2 methods, circumference and area, to calculate the circle's properties based on the radius. Objects are created from classes. Here, we create an object C of the circle class with coordinates 0.0, 0.0 and a radius of 5.0. We then calculate C's circumference and area by calling the respective methods on this object. Multiple objects can be created from the same class definition. We demonstrate this by creating 2 more circle objects, C1 and C2, with different center coordinates and radii. We then print the circumference of C1 and the area of C2 by invoking their methods. In a Java program, there must be a main class containing the main method for successful execution. The name of the file should match the main class name with a Java extension. While multiple classes can be defined in one file, only one can be the main class. A class without a main method cannot be compiled and executed. There is no limit on the number of data fields or methods a class can have, depending on the requirements. The setCircle method initializes a circle object with x, y, and r values passed as parameters. Constructors provide a more pragmatic way to initialize objects. A constructor automatically initializes objects upon creation, without requiring an explicit call. The circle class has a constructor that initializes its member elements, similar to setCircle but executing automatically. The this keyword is used to resolve naming conflicts within class methods. When a constructor has parameters with the same names as member variables, this helps differentiate them, referring to the current instance of the class and its members. Constructor overloading allows object initialization in different ways by providing multiple constructors with varying numbers of parameters. The example shows constructors with 3, 1, and 0 parameters initializing objects with the values passed. The this keyword can also be used to call another constructor from within a constructor. While Java is considered a simple language compared to others, there are specific important details that require careful learning. Prior programming experience can be beneficial for grasping Java concepts well. The simplicity of Java will be elaborated upon in the next class, contrasting it with other languages. In summary, encapsulation bundles data and methods into a single class for data abstraction. Multiple objects can be created from a class with different attributes. The main class with the main method is required to run Java programs. Constructors automatically initialize objects, and constructor overloading allows object initialization in different ways. The this keyword helps resolve naming conflicts within class methods. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.